Welcome back, class. Today we're going to be using Roboblockly to create a program in CH. We're then going to save that program and upload it into roboSim. So let's go ahead and get started. Notice I've created the cursor nice and big so you guys can see it. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Let me move that out of the way. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to STEM Studio. And Roboblockly is going to be the first line in our software. So let's go ahead and launch it. Okay. So a little bit about Roboblockly is that it's similar to previous programs we've used. We have our grid right here. We have our different types of coding blocks. We have variables, functions. We'll do some math, loops, logic. When you scroll down, you can get to the specifics about the robots and whatnot. But today we're just going to do a quick assignment, and I want you guys to try to get the robot to draw your initials. So I'm going to start with H for me. So to create an H, we need to do 2 vertical lines and then 1 line in between. So I'm going to go ahead and use my drive distance block. I'm going to drag it over there. Notice I could turn on and off the CH code. I like to keep it on. So to run it, you just hit run. And then it went 5 inches to be specific. I want to go a little bit more, so I'm just going to do another block. And it should snap together. I'm going to hit reset, run. Now I'm going to want to turn it and have it come back. So we're going to turn, it's going to turn 90 degrees, but I want it to go 180. And as you notice, as I type in different, or you could actually do it like this. That's pretty sweet. I didn't know about that feature. Cool. So let's see what happens when I rerun it. Nice. And now I'm going to come back. And then I'm going to want to turn left this time. And then there's a drop down, and I only want to go 90 degrees. So let's see what that looks like. As you notice, it also highlights when it's doing the code. And then I'm going to go forward 5, and so forth. So I've done all this work. I've built most of my H, and I want to run this in roboSim. So there's a cool feature that we could use, and we have the code right here, but I'm going to go ahead and save the CH by clicking this button, and then it's going to auto-populate, and this is roboblockly5.ch. Now it's saved. So one of the questions I want you to think about is, where do we find it? Well, it's actually kind of neat. So let's go back. If you look into this workspace, you'll notice that one of the folders is titled Roboblockly. So let's go ahead and click on it. And I've done this a couple times. So I'm going to go and double click Roboblockly 5. And there's our code. So your challenge is to do it to run the program in Roboblockly. So we need to open up roboSim. I'm sorry, roboSim. And now we should be able to launch this code. Now let's see if it does the H. There you go. So this is what you guys will be turning in. I'm going to want a screenshot of this. All right. Good luck.